feel sick. I've had a lot of coffee. What up guys, it's Elizabeth here with a new video for you, and exciting news because this is the first sit down video I've done with my new camera and my new mic and my new tripod. Wow, definitely not mad. In today's video we are going to be going through everything that is in this bad boy, and this is the bag I travel with like 24/7. If I'm going on a trip, you will find this on my back. If you ever see me in the airport, on a road trip, this bad girl is always on me. So I'm just gonna go over what's inside of it since I travel like 24/7. I thought you guys might like to know. This is totally raw. Like, I got to England yesterday and literally haven't touched this other than like getting my laptop and stuff out. This is like straight from the airport and it might be a little bit messy, I'm not gonna lie. So let's get into it. Also, just warning you guys, I've had like a lot of coffees today and also a tea. So this backpack I actually got from Sam's Club, which is super random. The brand is Renwick. Don't know, never heard of this brand, but it's really good. Like, this backpack is so nice, and it has a little luggage tag thing, which is super nice. I don't have anything in it, so that's on me. But it also has these like squishy back things, which makes it so like comfortable and easy and nice to carry, and it just honestly is like the best travel backpack I've ever owned. But yeah, it also has 2 compartments up here and then 2 side compartments and then 2 little middle compartments. Okay, so in the very front I have so much random stuff. It's like all my beauty essentials, I guess you could say. I have some lipstick, some gum, some nail polish, and I would also usually keep makeup in here, but I did my makeup this morning, so I took all of that out. So this is usually where I keep my beauty stuff slash gum, so I can just like have it on hand and be able to get to it really quick. Just above that, in this pocket, this is where I keep my documents. If you ever see me in an airport, if you try to steal from me, I will know, because I just will know, okay? Don't try. But I have my like one-time United Club passes, I have all my passports, and then I also have this bad boy because easy access. These are so annoying. If you have an iPhone, you know what I'm talking about. In these side pockets, I like to keep things for easy access also, but I have this, which is for the glasses I'm wearing currently. And then I have on this side, I'm pretty sure these are my sunglasses. Yep, just perfect. Just look at that, just boop. Oh, nope. Last week I totally put ketchup in here, like a little ketchup packet, and it exploded on the plane, so that was. Then to get into the middle, so first of all I have my microphone. I have some attachments for phones in here, but I have the mic on the camera right now, so just keep that in there. I usually also put my camera in this section because it's like nice and big and easy access, and I don't like to pack my camera because I just want to have it on me and like close to me so that I can keep track of it. I usually always travel with some sort of journal. Right now I have my current journal that I like diary in, and you know, the whole dear diary, that kind of stuff. And then I have my vision journal for 2018. Shout out to Julia Post, she makes these, they're super cute. If you want to check this out, then I will have the link down below in the description. But basically I'm just planning out my goals for 2018, and I'm like halfway through. I really need to start doing that considering it's like January 16th or something. And then I just have this bad boy, which if you can tell, it's like falling apart, but this has everything in it, like all of my goals, all of my YouTube stuff, just everything that I like, my notes. It has everything in it. I also keep stickers for my guitar case when I go places. I always buy stickers for my guitar case, so when I'm traveling I just keep them in here. Then I have a ton of English money. My wallet just broke, so I'm currently using an Ipsy bag. Next I have a little Sephora mirror. Boom, it stands up by itself. It's so cool. Next I have a pair of socks because I usually don't wear socks when I go to the airport, and it gets freezing on planes, so I like to have socks to throw on. And And then I have this bad boy, which I usually keep all my cables in. I have like 2 pairs of headphones, this little splitter thing so I can share headphones with someone. Then I have, it's really funny, I have like my iPod in here and a bunch of American cards that I need to organize. And then I have some hair ties. I have a toothpick so that I can change out my SIM card. And then I also have different SIM cards also. Just like a bunch of random stuff in here. Is that not beautiful or what? Last but not least, this back pocket is my favorite because it holds the one and only beautiful laptop. It just slides right in there so perfectly, and I can't feel it against my back because I have these pads, which it's just like perfect. Then I have a charger for my phone, and then I have the laptop charger in here. What else do I have? Oh, I guess that's it. Anyways, I guess that's pretty much it. I feel like that's not a lot. Sometimes I have like a whole outfit in here as well. If anyone has a problem with that, I'm so sorry. I know that's kind of gross. Just like pretend it's not there. I really recommend looking into getting one of these, or like getting something similar if you do travel a lot, because it's so worth it. And also it like is comfortable and it protects your back, which I think is super important. I guess that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button wherever it might be. I'm sorry for the awkward lighting in this video, but I hope you liked it anyway. Make sure to go follow my Instagram to keep up to date with my traveling, and this week I'm in England, so you're gonna want to see that. I will be posting lots of pictures for you guys to enjoy. But yeah, that's all I have to say, so I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys. Also, what the heck? Look at this view. Let's just take a second. What? This guy's about to get attacked.